joy it brings. So I bounce as I walk on water and rejoice, cause Jesus is the word of God and
Y'all know what time it is? Y'all know what time it is. Let me tell y'all what time it is. It's catfish dinner time, catfish dinner time, catfish dinner time, catfish dinner time, catfish dinner, catfish dinner, catfish dinner with a side of mac and cheese. That's right, baby. That's what's going on in the Sheppard household tonight. We were supposed to have some guests, but they didn't quite make it because, you know, life sends us turns and stuff, and that's what happens. But catfish dinner is still what's on the menu. Love y'all. Yeah, that cheese sauce right there. That is Sheppard family recipe mac and cheese sauce. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So guess what y'all about to witness? Emerging miracle of al dente penne pasta being poured into the cheese sauce. And now the miracle of merging takes place. Oh yes. Oh yes. Isn't it lovely?
Isn't it lovely?
Oh yes.
Isn't it beautiful?
Oh yes. Look at that. Oh, look how you just come together and just make love. Just love. Love, not hate. Love.
Oh, man.
Love happening. Penne pasta and cheese sauce coming together just lovely. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? This is how it's supposed to happen and everything. See, your boy went on here and took that penne pasta, put it in that lovely cheese sauce, and then the miracle takes place and everything just comes together super lovely and everything. Yeah, because that's how we do, boy. They don't understand. Somebody will walk in and be like, man, what you doing over there? I'm like, shh, don't disturb the miracle. Modesty.
Oh my gosh, he's hilarious.
A giggle box, y'all.
No, he is hilarious. You guys have no idea.
Oh, see, there it is. There it is. Look, look, look. And the miracle is finished. Oh, man. Every bit of pasta is getting some love off of that cheese sauce. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.